The following video is sponsored by W Energy Powder for Gamers. Use code Treyblowski10 for 10% off your order at w.gg. Salutations, Treyblowski Nation. Welcome back to our playthrough of Stubbs the Zombie. Now, I'm sure I made a community post about this when it happened, but I also just wanted to let you guys know that for any subscribers that were in countries where Part 2 is blocked, I should have a community post up now with links where you'll still be able to watch it. Alright, let's get back into this and hopefully get in the mall. And the 310A is still having problems with the camera when I have to sit in an angle. Let's get him. We gain a little bit of health when we eat people. I just noticed that. Oh, I didn't just notice that. Alright. 310A is still having some issues with the way this camera is. It keeps thinking I'm looking up.
Zombie right there. Zombies, hemorrhoids. I can't take this life. God, oh God, my bread. Run for your lives! I always knew you were yellow. Keep your mid.
Let's make some use of this guy.
My armor will protect me. Let me give you a hand.
Oh man. I'm just having trouble getting through this area. Nope. Didn't want to do that. No, I'm wasting gut bombs. And I wasted my gas.
I see one out. I'm bringing you in, bastard. I'm bringing you in. I see another one. Mother. Sit down.
Get down there, come on, man.
Look, there's one. I'll show you one
Keep hitting the guys too hard.
I'll show you right Stop eating me! That's all wrong! Slayer! Stop hitting me! I see.
Go get them, my friends. I am going to try to adjust my camera. It's a little better, but it still thinks I'm looking up.
Where the hell are they coming from? Let's go!
So many of them. Lock and load. Time for batting practice.
Zombie right there! Hey!
Oh.
Die! Die!
This is not good.
Oh. I will club you into submission.
Suffer and die!
Okay, this is a gamble. Payoff, 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 payoff.
It's got me! Hand that somebody!
Now let's make the job a little easier for ourselves.
Enjoy this, huh? Let me give you a hand.
Aw.
Friend, this will leave it in marks.
Let's try again.
Bring fruit for the yogurt. Oh well, no one.
Get your filthy hand off me! Hand that somebody!
Come on. Headshot, headshot.
Let me give you a hand.
Wait, that just leaves these guys.
More zombies.
Hold tight.
I see a zombie.
Too many targets.
Take that.
Hey, everybody! You got a zombie here!
Hey, you cheated.
Won't someone help an innocent youth? I'm too young to die. This'll cool your jets.
Stop. It's illegal.
Right.
I'll beat you down. Something. Whoa, yeah.
I could use some help.
A hail of gunfire.
Die, dirtbag!
We got a minute.
Zombie right there! Hey! Have some 45 caliber justice! Oh,
Ha! Thank you, sir. May I have another?
Enough lead in your diet?
But lead is bad for you. Oh, wait, this is the 50s, so lead is good. And smoking cigarettes. You're weird if you don't. And other things about the 50s that are not good. That I don't want to talk about, because we're the happy channel. We don't talk about the messed up stuff of the 50s. Woody's House of Wax. Hey, we're back at the theater.
Be around here somewhere. I see you. Sit down. Spit that out, damn it!
Here I come.
Hey, stop choking me!
That was cop on cop violence. Nope,
I see one of them.
just cop on civilian.
I'm bringing you in. It's not just one. Get that out, damn it! Sit down.
Stop hitting me!
How's that? On 2 screens. Rebel without a pulse. Because that's the game's full title.
And I'm crazy for you, Nurse Beulah. She's the head nurse of the psych ward. He's a dangerous killer with multiple personalities.
Me, please!
Kind of them find true love in glorious 3D next week at the True
This will eat marks. Oh, stop! Eat me, please!
No. Thanks for leaving me a way in.
I see.
Were those 2 dumb enough to follow me in here? They were not. Smart enough, I mean. We're gonna land. Wait.
Someone else! Oh, in my head! Eat lead! Hand that somebody! It's a brain eater! That was my favorite arm!
That is a powerful gun. As it's blowing heads off and blowing limbs off.
So long, you weak-willed zombie tool!
Now that is how you do a headshot. What's going over there? Because those cops are just fleeing. Oh,
Let me give you a hand. Oh my God!
I guess they just run if you don't kill them.
Eating in 20 years. Zombie! Zombie right there! I'll clean up these. Oh God! My brain!
Zombie! Right? Nobody escapes the stick! Oh. Erect! You won't talk to me!
That thing almost had you, pal!
Oh well.
You can't win!
It's got me!
Unhand that head! no ordinary citizen. Start shooting me.
No. I will shoot who I want and how much as I want to. One down. Come on. I'm friendly. Not! Come on.
Somebody call a doctor.
Oh, there's one.
Chew on this.
One more. Come on. Oh god, I kept shooting that guy in the wontons.
So long, you weak-willed zombie tool.
I thought he did pretty good. Don't call him a tool. Finally, we saved again. Alright, elevator's down. One second, I'm trying to adjust the camera again. Too low, too low. Ah. Ah! Alright.
Can't breathe.
Spit that out, damn it! I'll show you what for. Is there a...
You're killing me.
Deal with it, bro. It's all you can do.
Look alive! Zombies!
A zombie!
Right there. Stop eating me, please.
You zombie bastard!
Oh my God! Oh God! My brain!
Come on. Where my zombies at? Where are you guys? That's more like it.
This won't leave any marks. You just killed a good cop.
Something's broken.
Yeah, sure.
This won't leave any marks. Oh my God! Die!
Calm down, man. Cool it, bro.
My brain! I'm gonna have your ass.
How long? As we.
You little... Look, there. It figures you'd be a zombie. It brought a plan.
My arm! I haven't seen brain eating in 20 years.
Meow. Smile. I'll clean up these streets.
I'm bringing
Oh, stop eating me, please!
Knocked his head clean off, we did. That was kind of violent. This is supposed to be a good Christian YouTube channel. Where do we go now? Ah. Skinner and Van Pelt. Okay, I think we went the wrong way.
But that's not all. The 2-in-1's doubleheader of horror starts at midnight. First, it's Jill Glimmer and Ponce de Leon Danforth, and I marry. Today at the 2-in-1, a special matinee showing of 1959's biggest Hollywood blockbusters. Thrills run wild on the gas
Okay.
streets of Victorian.
Bear with me, guys. I'm lost.
This job is like herding cats, except cats are smarter.
Oh, wait, we went through here.
Here in Punchbowl, we take traffic safety seriously.
Join us! Take up arms and fight with the Quaker state irregulars! We licked Hitler, and we can lick the hordes of undead Reds! Now, who's with me? So his wife
Oh,
says,
boy.
That's not a pig, that's a duck.
and the farmer says, I wasn't talking to you. I don't get it.
That's 'cause you're dumb, Jeb.
What was that?
Oh, it appears that they have shotguns.
I see one! My brains! It's a brain eater. Look, as a kid, off my head! Zombie!
Oh, they're using... What are they using? Muskets? Dang. Guess I need to pay attention to who I steal guns from.
My manly parts! Where'd my hand go? Too many zombies!
Rooftop snipers.
Why me?
Might as well give them some cannon fodder.
The process of the past. Come inside and buy.
Hey, how'd those guys come out of the door I just came out of?
Come inside for the best prices in Punchbowl. The world has ever known.
You know what they say, you can't beat some good old country cooking. Yeehaw!
The fashions of the future. The prices of the past.
Just more waves. Oh, wait, whoops. Didn't mean to do that.
Your source for all
Just like shooting pigeons.
Right.
Welcome to the Punch Bowl Mall. Walk stand outside with all the best bargains inside. Come on in and shop. Punch Bowl Mall, your box house here. Welcome to the Punch Bowl Mall. Your source.
Aw. Why can't you people just cooperate with my vision? Is a world without death that unappealing? I ask you, is it that unappealing? Ah. Oh man, and it's always the guy. Why didn't I possess the guy with an actual gun from a modern time? Well, I guess we'll have to call it, and we'll be jumping right back into it next week. So if you like the video, be sure to like and subscribe, comment your favorite part. If you want to support the channel, you can always become a Patreon, a YouTube member, buy merch from our Spreadshirt store, or just watch videos all the way through. Don't forget to check out my friend Isaac's channel, Isaac and Friends. He does stuff too. Also, don't forget to check out my friend TJ's channel. He's doing a dub of the Bone comics, which I'm playing a part in. Have a good day, Treyblowski Nation. 17 Hunter strong and growing.